Good morning, children. Now I am going to take class for 4th standard children. Computer. For 4th standard children, computer. Okay, first lesson. 4th standard children, we are having computer book. All take your computer book and take page number 1. First lesson, revive on work done in standard 3rd. In standard 3rd, you already learned computer, no? So, revive means revision. We learn in standard 3rd that typing is an essential skill in this electronic age. இப்போ வந்து நமக்கு in this electronic age இதில் வந்து typing is essential. Typing தான் நமக்கு என்னது முக்கியமானது. Typing tutors help us understand the layout of a keyboard. Keyboard வச்சு தானே நம்ம டைப் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ அது in standard 3rd, use the GST tutor. We memorize the keyboard layout. We also learn to type quickly with the help of the GST tutor. Some of the things we learned are நம்ம என்னென்ன திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் லேர்ன் பண்ணோன்னு சொல்லி இங்கே லிஸ்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க பார். லொக்கேஷன் ஆஃப் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கீஸ் அந்த கீபோர்டில் நிறைய கீஸ் இருக்கும்ல அந்த லொக்கேஷன். டைப்பிங் வித் அக்யூரசி அண்ட் ஸ்பீட், எப்படி வந்து கரெக்டாக டைப் பண்ணணும், தென் ஸ்பீடாக டைப் பண்ணணும். த லேர்னிங் ப்ராசஸ் கேன் பி ஃபன். அப்புறம் லேர்னிங் ப்ராசஸ் வந்து எப்படி ஃபன்னாக இருக்கும். தென் ஃபிகரிங் அவுட் ப்ராப்ளம் கீஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வே டு சேவ் டைம், எஃபர்ட் அண்ட் எனர்ஜி. நம்ம எப்படி நம்ம டைமை சேவ் பண்ணணும், எஃபர்ட் நம்ம எனர்ஜிலாம் எப்படி சேவ் பண்ணணுன்றலாம் நம்ம லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ், தட் இஸ் இந்த 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் நம்ம படித்து முடிச்சாச்சு. We also learn some basic mouse operation like pointing, clicking, drag and drop with the help of the mouse tutor. மவுஸ் இருக்குல்ல, கம்ப்யூட்டரில் மவுஸ் இருக்குல்ல இந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ அந்த மவுஸ் டியூட்டரை வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம், மவுஸ் டியூட்டரில் வந்து நம்ம பாயிண்டிங், கிளிக் பண்ணுறது, பாயிண்ட் பண்ணுறது, அப்புறம் ட்ராகிங், ட்ராப்பிங், இதெல்லாம் நம்ம இந்த மவுஸை வச்சு நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கிறோம். வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் டியூட்டர்ஸ் வி ஹவ் லேர்ன் டு யூஸ் த மவுஸ் அண்ட் த கீபோர்டு வித் ஈஸ். இந்த மவுஸுடைய ஹெல்ப்பில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், நம்ம மவுஸை எப்படி வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணணும், கீபோர்டில் எப்படி வந்து நம்ம டைப் பண்ணணும், அதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஏற்கனவே இந்த we learn in the 3rd standard. In this class we shall learn about files, folders, search and navigation, imaging and PowerPoint. In this class, in 4th standard class, we read the search and navigation, imaging. இதெல்லாம் பற்றி நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், இந்த 4th standard classல படிக்க போகிறோம். we learn. So first, now second lesson. So from this the first lesson is over. Now second lesson. What is that? For that first lesson, I'll take one 80 pages note, children. 80 pages note for computer and write the lesson name. What is that? Review on work done. On work done in standard 3. So this is the lesson 1, no? In standard 3. For that you simply write the dictation words. Okay. Write dictation words. First one. Dictation words. First one. Typing. 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 Keyboard. 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 Memorized. 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 Fourth one, quickly. 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 Fifth one, problem. 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 Sixth one, energy. Energy. Seventh one, operations. 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 Have you all writing note, children? Have you all taken the note? 180 pages note. I told you to take 180 pages note now. So take 180 pages note and write computer first lesson revive on work done in standard 3. This is the lesson name. Write the Roman letter for 1 first and dictation words. Write this one. Okay. Now 8th one. Folders. 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 9th one. Drag. Drag. 10th one, clicking, C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G, clicking. So this is the dictation words for first lesson. First one what? Typing, T-Y-P-I-N-G, typing. Second one, keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Third one, memorize, M-E-M-O-R-I-Z-E-D, memorize. Fourth one, quickly, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. Fifth one, problem, P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. Sixth one, energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Seventh one, operations, O-P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N-S, operations. Eighth one, folders, F-O-L-D-E-R-S, folders. Ninth one, drag, D-R-A-G, drag. 10th one, clicking, C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G, clicking. Have you all finished writing this one, children? Okay. Have you all finished now, children? Okay, we pass on to next. Next, second lesson. Now first finished, second lesson. What? Files and folders. Files and folders. Files and folders. This is the second lesson. The hard drive in the computer holds an enormous amount of data. Hard drive, hard drive one machine that computer holds, and that is a one part hard drive. That is computer holds an enormous amount of data. Nariya data vandu and the hard drive la irukku. It is very important to organize this data. And the data vandu it is very important data. A well organized system of data will help us find easily what we are looking for. A well computer use files and folder to organize it. அதனால தான் நம்ம கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல ஒரு ஃபைல்ஸும் ஒரு ஃபோல்டர் மாதிரி போட்டு வச்சோம்னா அதுல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் ஈஸியா நமக்கு if you want to take any information means in that we go and take from the files and folders. Example, here see, Priya's room is filled with pink and grey marbles. Here see, in Priya's, have we all taken the book now, children? So take page number 2. All take your computer book and take page number 2. Here see, Priya's room is filled with pink and grey marbles. Priya room la vandu pink and grey, what color? Pink and grey color, filled with pink and grey color marbles. Marbles, you know children, marbles goli solvalla, that is marbles. Priya's mother is angry with Priya because the room is untidy. Priya's mother is angry with Priya. Why? Because the room is untidy. Here and there are pink and grey marbles. So Priya mother got angry. She asked Priya to organize all the marbles. So she organized Priya. His mother told, you put all the marbles together. So Priya decided to group similar marbles together. So Priya, what she decided? She decided we can group one color and we can group another color. Group நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Grouping பண்ணலாம் அப்படினு she decided. Accordingly, she puts all her pink marbles in a box. Accordingly, she put all the pink marbles in one box. One box, all he put his pink marble. Accordingly, she then puts all her grey marbles in another box. So, grey marbles in another box. Next box la she put all his grey marbles. Okay, she then puts all her grey marbles in another box. She named the box grey marbles. She then put these two boxes into a bigger box. She named the box marbles. What she does? First she took two boxes and in one box she put all the pink marbles and she named that as pink marbles. And the box she named as pink marble box. Okay. and she put all the grey marbles in another box. For that box she named as grey marbles. And lastly what she done? And she then put these two boxes. She put these two boxes in one big box and she named that big box as a marbles. Okay. What she did, Priya? What she did? She took pink marbles in one box and another box she took all the grey marbles and he named pink marble box as pink marble box and grey marble box, and again she took one big box and she put two boxes in there and she named the box as marbles. Okay, so how is this helpful? Priya's mom will be happy because the room is now clean and organized. Now Priya's mother is happy. Now the room is very neat, no? So she got happy. If Priya wants to play with the pink marble, she knows that she can look into the marbles box. In the marble box, she will find the pink marbles box. She will find the pink marbles in the pink marble box. In other words, it is easier to search for a particular set of marbles. So Priya, what she did? She separated the pink and grey and she put separated in the box and she put it lastly in a big box. If she want to play with the pink marble means she took the pink marble in the big box. She took only pink marbles. It is easy for that only. It is easy for her not to take pink marble. So like that only. Okay, files are similar to marbles, so files are also similar to marbles, and boxes are like folders and marbles, and boxes are like folders. Files are similar to marbles. Okay, folders are similar to boxes. Okay children, have you understand? Our computer are set up to store similar files in specific folder. If you are saving a files, it is set in a separate folders. Okay children, then similar folders can be put inside the other folder and so on. So இத வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இந்த folderல இருந்து அந்த file வந்து அந்த folderல போட்டுட்டு and then we can search and take the information other folders, and thus data is organized and search is easier. So அதனால நமக்கு என்ன data வந்து organized ஆகும் and then searching is easier for us. Okay, so இப்போ file. Now we are going to see about file. A file is a collection of data that is stored together. File is a collection. நம்ம நிறைய டேட்டாவை கலெக்ட் பண்ணி ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கிறது ஃபைல். File can be stored on a hard drive, a floppy disk or a CD. இந்த ஃபைல் வந்து நம்ம எதில் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கலாம்? Can be stored in a hard drive, floppy disk and CD. We can store in that hard drive, floppy disk and CD. Everything that a computer does is based on the data stored in a file. Everything that a computer does is based on the data stored in a file. If you want any information means you can search from the file and take easily. We can do the following operation with files. First we can create. Next view, we can see. Second one. Third one, open. We open the file. Then rename. We can rename, and if you don't want means you can delete that one. Okay, if the informations we don't want means we can delete from that file. So this is we can do the following operation with files. Files have three properties. They have three properties. What are the three properties? Name. First we should name. Next, location, where it is, that is location. Next what? Length. Length means size. So on the file வந்து எந்த lengthல இருக்கு, that is length. So there are different types of files. Let us look a word file. We can store text in this file. So நிறைய different types of files வந்து இருக்கு. File number, take page number 3 children. In that we saw, so my file do is the name of the file. It is located in the local disk ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம ஃபைல் வந்து எப்படி வைக்கணுன்றது வந்து எங்கே இருக்குது ஃபைல் வந்து நேம் ஆஃப் த ஃபைல் அந்த ஃபைலுடைய நேமு தென் லொக்கேட்டட் இங்கே அது எங்கே வச்சுருக்குறோம் அதெல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வந்து போட்டு வச்சுருக்கோம். ஃபைல் நேம் ரூல் எ ஃபைல் நேம் கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் எ நேம் அண்ட் அன் எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் அதனுடைய நேம் அதனுடைய எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் இருக்கும். நேம் அண்ட் எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் ஈக்குவல் ஃபைல் நேம். தென் செகண்ட் folders or directors. Next one, what you have to see now, files are completed. Files and folders only. Now files completed. Next folders. A computer usually has a lot of files. The computer usually நிறைய files இருக்கும். Lot of files. It is very important to keep the files organized. நம்ம வந்து அந்த ஃபைல்ஸ்ல நமக்கு ரொம்ப நீட்டா வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Folders also known as directories. Keep files organized by grouping them together. The folders means what means we have to keep the files together in that folder. A directory contained inside another directory is called a subdirectory. ஒரு directory குள்ள இன்னொரு directory வச்சா that is called subdirectory. Many times the computer will automatically store files in certain folders in order to keep itself organized. However, when you create new files, நம்ம ஒரு new file create பண்ணி you must decide which folder to put them in. நம்ம ஒரு new file வந்து create பண்ணும்போது நம்ம எந்த folderல வைக்கணும் அப்படினு நம்ம வந்து decide பண்ணிட்டு like files you can do the following things with folder. நம்ம என்னென்ன பண்ணணும் foldersக்கு create. First we should create like that filesல நம்ம எப்படி பண்றோமோ அதே மாதிரி create, next view, next open, next rename and then delete. If you don't want means you can delete in that. Next creating a folder. நம்ம இப்ப folder எப்படி create பண்ணணும். We can create using my computer. To create a directory, follow step 1 to 5. How many steps there are? 1 to 5 steps. Each step consists of 2 parts. How many parts each step consists of? 2 parts. The first step is the action step. First step is action step where we perform some operation. The second step is the result step. Second step is result. First one is action step and the second one is result step where we see the results of our action. நம்மளுடைய actionோட result வந்து result stepsல we can see. So here see action, double click icon on the desktop, my window appears on the screen. So we can double click the desktop, the window can appear on the screen. Here see next step 2, double click the local disk, all the files and folders in the local disk appears on the screen. And நம்ம எல்லாம் double click, when we double click the local disk means we can see all the files and the appear on the நம்ம ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்து எல்லா ஃபைல்ஸும் வந்து நம்ம ஸ்கிரீன்ல வரும். Then third, move the mouse pointer to an empty area in the window. Right click. நம்ம வந்து right click கொடுத்தோம்னா விண்டோல right click கொடுத்தோம்னா move வந்து pointer to that empty area. A menu appears. அங்க என்ன appear ஆகும்? Menu. View appear ஆகும். Arrange. This and all we can see in the menu. Next, in fourth step, point to new option. நம்ம new option point பண்ணோம்னா select the folder option. Next what we can select the folder option. A folder icon appears with the name new folder. How to create a folder? A folder appears. A folder icon appears with a new folder. Then step 5. Type a folder name of your choice, say CS folder, press enter key. If you want to type means you can select any name. So like that CS folder. So press enter key press பண்ணி அதை வந்து நம்ம input பண்ணோம்னா you can now view the folder with the name CS folder. நம்ம வந்து இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், அந்த மானிட்டர்ல அந்த ஃபோல்டர்ல we can see the CS folder. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன டைப் பண்ணோமோ that we can see in the folder. So in that step 1 to step 5 you can see how to create the folder we have seen. Okay children, you have already learned the first 2 operations with folders, create and view. Okay, so in this class we read the files and folders, how to create the folders according to 5 steps. We finished this one. Okay children, in the next class we see the question words, fill in the blanks, match the following. All these we can see in the next class children. Okay, fill in the blanks, missing that question answer, all this we can see in the next class. Okay children, thank you. We will see in the next class. Thank you children.